Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe below and like and comment. So y'all, this is the Wowafrican hair shipped by DHL, and I'm about to open it up so y'all can see. So here's the box. And when you open it, it's like this, and it has a note. Customer service, and it has a like the hairstyles, and like information on hair care tips and tips for maintaining curly hair. So this is the hair. This is the hair with. It has like comb right here, comb right there, comb on the bottom, and it's just like that. You'll see like that. And take this off. Okay, y'all, yeah, I had the net on it, but this is like nice, right? Bounce, bounce, bounce. The hair is wavy. This is nice. It feels really good. Like, it's soft and smooth and shiny. It's very nice. Like, so yeah.